The siren call, so together we can break down the walls. Can you hear the siren call? Now I'm everywhere, you know that I'll never let you go. 'Cause I said I'll stay forever. Can you hear the siren call?
I get a feeling there's going to be a riot.
I don't read the newspapers because they all have ugly prints.
Check me out. Check me out.
At the starting of the week, at Summit Talks, you'll hear them speak. It's only Monday. Negotiations breaking down. See those leaders start to frown. It's sword and gun day. Tomorrow never comes until it's too late.
Come with it. Come with it.
Could be sitting, taking lunch. The news will hit you like a punch. It's only Tuesday.
What time is it?
You never thought we'd go to war. After all the things we saw, it's April Fool's Day.
What time is it?
Tomorrow never comes.
I've been rapping for about 17 years, okay? I don't write my stuff anymore. I just kick it from my head. You know what I'm saying? I can do that. No disrespect, but that's how I am.
Want from me, what I want from you. There's no working it out. Take your hands off me, this just cannot be. I got someone waiting outside. Just coagulate, dear, this is our fate. Just get the hell away from me. Sorry, I'm a bitch, can't ever work through it. Let's take the easy way out. One last time and one good story. Scream hallelujah, scream hallelujah. Once for the time you never came. One more time and one for I can't refuse, that keeps me coming back to you. It's not that I don't care, I know that I'm not fair. No honesty between me and you. It comes down to this one